Dan G. Fox here, and thank you for stopping by my channel today, and thank you for watching this video. If this is your first time here, you've been missing out. Trust me, you've been missing out because I regularly put out videos to help you make money online. So if this is your first time, go ahead and click on the subscribe button below. You know where it's at. Click on it, and then click on the bell right behind that. That way you'll get notified every time I put out some good goodies for you. So I have a pop quiz. Remember when you were in school and the teacher would say, pop quiz, you'd all freeze up and get scared and all that, But I have a pop quiz for you. What are the two things that can either break you as a marketer or make you as a marketer? What are the two things that either break you as a marketer or make you as a marketer? No matter what you're marketing, whether you're in affiliate marketing, network marketing, e-commerce, whatever it is, what are the two things? Number one, finding the right product to promote. And number two, getting eyeballs on the offer. That, without those two being in the positive direction, you're not going to make it online. Right? And so what I have found, even when somebody finds a great product or a great program, if they're not getting eyeballs on it, they go downhill real fast and they give up. So I have a solution to you for both. And that is the AI Viral Downline. Because what does it do? Number one, it's a good product because it provides you a way to promote anything that you're promoting. For example, I'm with Safe Club. Been with them since they started some months back now. And I can use AI Downline to promote my Safe Club business or my Live Good business or whatever business that I want to promote. So I've got the good product because Safe Club is a great product and I've got a way to promote it. Now, AI Viral Downline is a product in itself. So you can use that program, the AI Viral Downline, to make money, all right, by getting people to use the system. And you get paid $25 fast start on a $28 initial payment. Who does that, right? Okay, so you can make money with that. Plus, there's a matrix system that goes all the way down to the 8th level, right? And then within that system, there's two links. Well, really, there's more, but there's two links that you can promote your business within. And then it has a poster that will AI post to 8 different social media accounts on your behalf. All right, and you can set that up to post 4 times a day, 3 times a day, whatever you want, no more than 4, 7 days a week. That gives you 28 posts to get eyeballs on your site in these various social media accounts. So we've solved, number one, getting eyeballs on your account traffic. We've solved, number two, a good product, because that social media posting tool is an awesome little tool. It'll post to places like YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram. Like I said, it's a total of 8 of them. So using AI Viral Downline does exactly what it does. It virally builds your downline. Why? Because when someone comes to your AI Viral Downline capture page, there is a chat bot there named Emily. And Emily will converse with them back and forth. And her only goal, Emily's only goal, is to give just a little bit of information. It's kind of like getting a little taste test before the meal, and then encouraging them, persuading them, convincing them to join for free. Because you can join for free to check out the system. 7 days you can be in the system using all the tools that are available to you. You can even make money with it during those 7 days. You just can't withdraw it unless you become an upgraded member. But you can test out how to make money with it. You can test out how to post with it. All of that. And Emily helps you do that. She's a phenomenal little lady there. Okay? So if you are trying to get into online marketing, or if you've been in it for a while and you're struggling because you don't have the right product and you don't have the right tool, AI Viral Downline is it. So I would encourage you, if you're ready to put your marketing game to the next level, I would encourage you to go ahead and click on the link below in the description and go ahead and join for free. No credit cards required. And just be a tire kicker and try it out for those 7 days for free. Use the posting tool. Promote it so you can start seeing how much money you can make. You'd be surprised. Anybody that's trying to make money wants a way to get good viral traffic to build their team, build their downline, to sell their products. This does it for you automatically while you sleep. Okay? So click on the link below, check it out. That's help you to really finally start getting some traffic to your products and your program. So that's it for today. I thank you for listening. If you got something out of this video, I really would appreciate it. It would help me out a lot, really would. You click on the like button. That helps me with my YouTube algorithms. Also comment. I love comments, good, bad, or indifferent. And I do respond to them. And if this, as I mentioned earlier in the video, this is your first time here, welcome aboard. We're glad you're here. We're so glad you're here. But I don't want you to miss out on any other things we put out. And so go ahead and click on the subscribe button and then click on the bell. That way you will get notified when I put out a new video on a regular basis. I do that. So you don't want to miss out. So that's it for today. I want you to have a foxtastic day, and I will see you in the next video.